I just want to show you how to join your seminar on Blackboard. I know a number of you are enrolled on different modules, and for COP 2544, which I'm leading, I just thought it would be nice to put a short video together, show you around how do you join your seminar on Blackboard. So that is what this video is about. I'm going to show you in a moment how you navigate different aspects, how you join your specific seminar group and at the specific time that is allocated to you. Please make sure, one of the things I want to say about seminar is that make sure that you prepare your answer to the case studies that is posted ahead of the seminars. So the case studies will be released every week, and of course we want you to engage, so prepare your answers ahead of time and make sure that you join the right seminars group. So sit back and take a moment. I will show you how to join your seminar group on Blackboard. So I'm currently just open my laptop, right? So I've opened my laptop and then here we are. I will just need to go to so I will expect that you use your normal sign-in login. You go to a Blackboard. I'm currently in Blackboard, so this is your student preview. So on organizational management, this is what you're going to see on organizational management when you log into Blackboard. So you will have under here, you will have announcements. So currently there is no announcement, which you will see the announcement anyway. And then of course you will see the staff contact, how to contact every member of staff that is currently enrolled on the module to teach on this particular module. And of course, module information. Module information is where you will find your module handbook. So this is where you find your module handbook. So if you click on that, if you click on module handbook, and that should pretty much open in a new page. And then of course I will encourage you to also read the module handbook. So the module handbook is there. So everything you need to know about these modules, what we'll cover, everything is there. Assessment strategies and everything is there. So you will find that in the module handbook. So that being said, the next thing, which is the most important aspect in the Blackboard area, is the learning material. So every week you will find your lectures slide. So week 1 lecture is already here, which is the introduction to organizational management, is already here. You will find under week 1, you will find your seminar material. So for this week 1, we are looking at the Carillion case. So that is already there on your Blackboard page. And you will also find the recorded lecture for you to watch before you actually attend the seminar. So I will recommend to you that you are strongly advised that, and we expect that you should have watched the lecture before you attend the seminar section. So make sure that you watch the lecture before you actually attend the seminar section. Here is just a video from my YouTube channel on how to write the perfect essay, which was a guide I gave to some students back then when the lockdown event first started in the UK. And here is another video, for example, that was looking at change and quarters plan and linear change models. And this particular one is one of the topics that we also treat on this module. So you will look at, you will find all your learning materials under this tab, learning materials, both your lectures slide, both your recorded lectures, both your seminar materials will be posted here. Now the most important one in terms of joining the seminar allocated for this module is this particular tab called Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. Blackboard Collaborate Ultra will allow you to join your seminar that is allocated to you. Now, once you click on Blackboard Collaborate Ultra, you will find this green Blackboard Collaborate Ultra comes up, right? So what you need to do is to click on the green Blackboard Collaborate Ultra here, and then it rolls, scanning, and then under that you will find different section. that has been different seminar group from week 1. So you will find, if you are in seminar group, for example, S17 with area B, that would be the one you should click on. And this section start from 9 to 10 on Monday. So that will be the section you click on to join this particular seminar. So once you click on it, so click on the date, which is the 5th of October 2020, and then you can click on the particular section, and then it will take you to join the section. So once you click on it, it will give you the option to join the section. But because this section is not yet started or is not about to start, normally you can join the section 15 minutes before the time, just to give you a bit of time to settle in. So normally one is like 15 minutes to join the for the start. You can click on join, and you can click on the link, and of course it will give you the option to click on join here. But now we are not able to see that because the time is not this is not the time for it. So if you are, so that is if you are in group S17. But for some of you that are in group, maybe for example SO3, or if you are in group SO8 with myself, you can click on the link. It's the same thing apply. And if you can scroll down, there are 2 pages on this under this tab. So you need to scroll down. Say for example, if you are joining on the 8th, so you need to scroll down, and then if you can't find your group yet, you need to go to the next page, which is page 2. It will give you the different sections that you need to join. So no matter the group that you're in, just look at the page, and look at the time, look at the date, and of course click on it. So for example, if you're to join maybe this particular group with Sime, for example, we starting from the 9th. If I just click on that, and it will give me a drop menu if the date is on the 9th. So what I just need to do is to click on this one, and that should give me the option to join here. I just click on join, and then I'll be able to join the section. So that's how you can join your seminar section on this particular module. Remember, I said click on, once you log into the module, come to Blackboard Collaborate Ultra, and then you click on this green link. Click on the green link. It will show you range of sections that has been scheduled for you to join. So make sure you join the right group. Look at the name of the seminar tutor that is listed on your timetable and the time, and then join the section that is right for you at that time. And also remember, it's not just one page, so there is the second page, very important. So you have page 1 and page 2, so you need to scroll down, because more chances are when you click on it, you will notice that you need to scroll down, and then of course you need to go to the next page, which is the second page, just in case you are not able to find the group that you're looking for. So scroll down and click on the next on page 2, or you use the next arrow to navigate to the next page. So that is how you join your seminar group on this module. And the other part which I've created is the YouTube resources. So all the videos, extra resources. So if you click on this link, wait before you go, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be posting some update there relating to this module, and also your seminars. I'm going to be analyzing the cases that we're going to be looking at. I'm going to providing some insight there as well, just to provide that extra support. Subscribe to it, and I'm going to invite other lectures at some point as well to contribute to some of the content that we'll be we'll be looking at, just to provide that extra support to each and every one of you on this module. So I hope that you have a fruitful week, and I hope that you find this module really interesting, and we're just here to support you all the way. So thank you so much. I really appreciate if this video has been useful for you, please comment on it and just give me a feedback, so that next time when I'm preparing the videos, and I will be able to know how to tailor my presentation to be able to serve